Little update on the Transit Connect, guys. I've stripped all the bumpers off, mouldings, door handles, trims and stuff. Started colour coding all of them. The rear quarters turned up. I've cut all the bits out we need. We're going to stitch all that in next week and sort that out. We'll give you a little look at the paint and the bits and bobs we've painted. We've got a few more to get through and I'll give you a little update. Here we go, here's the front bumper. Top off. Got an extra wing mirror cover here, one of them's for me mate. Got all the side mouldings there in primer. I've just got to get ready to paint them. The back bumper's up there, and then I've got door handles and a few other bits waiting to go. Just doing different stages, trying to get this sorted. We've bought a lowering kit for it. That's turned up, and a new set of ST wheels. I'll dig them out of the van quick and show you them. Put the wheels out of the van, give them a little wash. 19-inch ST wheels. I'm going to chuck that on the Connect van. They should look alright. All the bits back together and you colour code it. Should look alright. Be back with a little update. Right, get some primer on these bits. Let's smash some plastic primer on first, and then some 2K eye build. We've got the door handles off. Side skirts off, quarter bits of the bumper, front bumper, grille, door handles, other side skirts. The back bumper is already sat in there, primed, flatted, ready for paint, side mouldings and all the other bits and bobs. Let's get some plastic primer on these. And crack on. See you in a bit. That's all the bits primed up now. Loads of high build on them. We can block them down and make them look really nice. All the side mouldings, door handles, door lock covers, skirt bits. That's the corners of the back bumpers. And my neighbour Dan, he's cutting out our rear quarter as we speak. Let's get this heater on and get these dried off properly, and we'll have a look at the rear quarter. There's the other rear quarter. Cut out all the bits we need for the other one. We'll get that stitched in to the Connect van. There we go. Cut the rear quarter out. Yeah. Piecing all of that out. We've got to keep it in there.
Massive.
Once he's removed this, we can pull this, straighten that.
I'll straighten
and
it.
we can cut the other bits. We'll piece all that bit in. Drill the spot welds out and re-weld it up.
Aside from my soul.
how my neighbour gets his money's worth. Let me make sure you can see how worn out that is. Tight fucker. There we go. It's all welded in now. Just having its first few skims. Try and make it all back to normal. Got a lot of work to do still, but we're getting there. Picked up another side door. This one's gone at the bottom, top, and the very top's twisted. By the time I repair all of that, I give 100 quid for the door. Weren't worth mucking around. And I picked up another back door for 100 quid because this one here has got some dings in it all round. It was cheaper and faster just to chuck the door on than it was to take it apart and sort it all. So yeah, see you in a bit. Get some more done.
Aside from my soul,
that's them next lot of bits done. So hard to show paint on video. Come out quite clean. A few little nibs in them. But in all honesty, because it's mine, not really suited up or anything. Could have made them even cleaner than they are. But he's going on an old van. Didn't look good enough. On to the next lot. All that lot over there in primer. Yeah, there's another front bumper. There's a bit of a story to that. My mate Dave wanted his one colour coded, so I was like, alright, well, look, just have mine, and then I'll prime yours, you know, repair yours, prime yours, colour code yours. So I've got that lot there to flat down and get ready. I've got another job that I've got to get done, an S-Max, so I'm going to dry these off, drag the S-Max in. That's for a customer, so I need to get that done. And then when I get time, I'll flat them other bits down and get them ready for paint. And then we'll be close. So yeah, we're getting there. We'll piece this all together. We should have a nice looking little van when it's done. I'll see you soon. We'll crack on. Didn't realise that it was video was that long. Keep waffling. Yeah, we've made good progress, and next video you'll see
We should have it pretty much all back together and painting the final bits and what have you. Get that rear quarter primered up, painted, and get it ready to go. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks for the support. If you like listening to me droning on, enjoy what we see, then there'll be plenty more of that to come. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and give us a thumbs up and share the videos. There'll be plenty more to come. I've got more vehicles coming in. I've made up my mind, the Renault 5 Turbo is getting done next, so there'll be quite a few videos on that, quite a big project on that one. So yeah, thanks for all the support everyone, and see you on the next one.